MGP has not declared its donations. This is how the report has come. Not declared its donation statements for 4 years between financial year 10-11 till 30, and party submitted its donations only in the year 2014-15. You can see it here. MGP financial year 10-11 00. So the donations part, they have not communicated if at all they had donations. But the fact is, they have a total of 1.81 crores as their income, and in the year 14-15 it is only 16 lakhs and 15,000, 0.1615, which means all the balance of about 1.75 or 1.65 crores must have come through some other source which is not known. They have not announced it to anyone, including ECI and IT. The MGP has submitted its details to ECI, Election Commission of India, only for the year 14-15. Prior to that, they have not communicated the figures. Okay, AAP has declared that the party has received only 4 lakhs from 23 donations from Goa. This is Maharashtra Gomantak Party. I have made certain names bold because they are there repeatedly. Now, what is interesting in the almost second last column is, it's the same bank, same amount of 40,000
and
same date of check, no PAN card given, no address given. Expenditure of Congress, if you see the figures, is more than the income. The income is 2,200 and some odd crores, which we showed earlier. The expenditure is 2,423 crores. There's also balance written off of 89 crores.
Written off are, which is money to be recovered is generally written off. So whether some contributions made are not come in, maybe that is written off, we are not aware.
The number of donors for Congress are 23, bringing in 5.55 crores. BJP is 146 donors, bringing in 5.1. What is very important here is to understand that the PAN card given by almost 51% of the donors, about 48% of the donors have not even given their PAN card numbers.